Hello students, today we'll start topic meninges. So what is meninges? They are protective membrane. Okay. Around brain and spinal cord. And they are three membrane structure. In fish, how many meninges are there? One meninge. In amphibians, reptile and birds, there are two meninges. Amphibian, reptiles and birds, two meninges, that is three layers, that is dura mater, arachnoid and pia mater. Pia, arachnoid, mater and dura mater. Now come to mammals. In mammals, there are total three meninges. Three meninges पाए जाते हैं in mammals. हाँ, just go through the diagram. See students, I have taken the example of brain, dura mater, arachnoid. This is a structure of brain. So three layers: dura mater, outer, arachnoid and pia mater. Dura mater is the outermost and fibrous, and arachnoid is a network of collagen, and pia mater is innermost and vascular. So the three layers are pia mater, very important, arachnoid and dura mater. So pia mater is the innermost and dura mater is outermost. Okay, and it is vascular and consists of squamous epithelium. And it is a network of collagen. Arachnoid is a network of, and it is outermost and fibrous. Okay, so go through the diagram. Suppose it is cranium. And here I have shown you the diagram. Again I am drawing. Okay, it is dura mater, it is arachnoid, so I can write here dura mater, outermost, and it is pia mater, innermost, and it is arachnoid, and it is subdural space, subdural space and subarachnoid space. Okay, So this is about the cerebrospinal fluids. They are found in, consist of subdural space here. Cerebrospinal fluids are found here. Okay, in spinal cord what happened? Epidural space is filled with adipose tissue. Just note it down. In spinal cord, epidural space filled with adipose tissue. Between dura mater and cranium. Okay, now next is, we'll start with forebrain. We'll start with forebrain, that is olfactory lobes. Okay, so forebrain it consists of olfactory lobes, cerebrum and diencephalon. Before this, we'll come to the structure of brain first. So students, this is the structure of brain. Okay, see, this is midbrain. Acha, forebrain is mainly consist of brain parts mainly consist of three. Brain is divided into three, that is forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Okay, but in forebrain की बात करें तो मैक्सिमम पार्ट इज कवर्ड बाय सेरिब्रम. ये जो सेरिब्रम दिख रहा है, दिस सेरिब्रम, ओके, ये मैक्सिमम पार्ट होता है ब्रेन का. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज mesencephalon, that is midbrain. This is midbrain. Okay, and third is hindbrain, rhombocephalon, that consists of cerebellum part, pons varolii and medulla oblongata. But this olfactory lobes, they are present at ventral sides and diencephalon. Diencephalon is buried inside cerebrum. Diencephalon हम लोग को नहीं दिखेगा, वो क्यों? क्योंकि वो buried inside cerebrum. And also जो mid brain है वो भी visible नहीं होता because it is also covered by cerebrum. Mid brain is also covered by cerebrum. So most of the part we will able to see cerebrum. Okay. So we have to start with the forebrain. This is forebrain. This is cerebrum part. So first we will study olfactory lobe. So olfactory lobe, it is a solid small structure. Okay, so first heading is olfactory lobes in forebrain. Also known as rhinocephalon. The structure diagram is like this. This is olfactory bulb. Okay, This is olfactory tract. This is olfactory tract, and here it is connected to temporal lobe. So olfactory lobe, we can say it is a solid, small structure and helps in detection of smell. It consists of olfactory bulb and tract. Let me draw. Olfactory tract and olfactory bulb you have seen in diagram. And olfactory tract is a bundle of nerve fibers. It is bundle of nerve fibers. It carries impulse from, what is the function of olfactory tract? The function of olfactory lobes is detection of smell, and it is consist of two parts, olfactory tract and olfactory bulb. The olfactory tract, it carry impulse from olfactory bulb to temporal lobe. क्या फंक्शन होता है? इम्पल्स को, इट कैरी इम्पल्स फ्रॉम olfactory bulb to olfactory tract to temporal lobe of cerebrum. temporal lobe जो है वो cerebrum का पार्ट है. and olfactory bulb वो swollen bulb like structure होता है which contain nerve cell. इसका क्या फंक्शन होता है? it act as relay center for olfactory stimuli. okay, so carries impulse from olfactory bulb to temporal lobe of cerebrum. And olfactory bulb swollen bulb like structure है, which contain nerve cell. It contain nerve cell. And what is the function? Act as relay center for olfactory stimuli. Olfactory is related to smell, auditory for hearing. So this is all about the olfactory lobes. Okay, next is cerebrum. We'll discuss in next video.